I don't know how you do chores in your home, but I do one chore a day. So today is floor day. I start with the mats in the living room, in the bathroom. The bathroom ones I shake out outside or in my tub and then rinse out all the dirt out of the tub. But then the entry mat that we have, I use the rubber brush for. Now our entry mats have absorbent microfiber, and then it has polypropylene bristles so that it will rub off the dirt coming in from the bottom of your shoe so that it doesn't get onto your carpet. So it removes dirt and pollutants and keeps it from coming into your house. It also has a non-slip backing to it. When you wash this, you can put it in the washing machine, but you want to hang it to dry. If you have an agitator in your washing machine, I highly recommend doing it on gentle cycle so it's not agitating it too much and getting it stuck in there. Then I have the rubber brush, rubber broom, and one side has a squeegee on it so that if you get water, maybe on your garage floor or on a tile floor, you can squeegee it up. And then the other side is our bristles, our rubber bristles. This works great on like outdoor patios. Our outside patio has a little bit of carpet on it, and so this works great with getting all the debris off the carpet. I even use it on my walls, so I will use this to get in between all of the bricks on the wall to kind of dust it. So I'll show you what I do with the floor mats. I will put one leg on one side, another leg on the other side, and brush it off. I will do this either inside or outside. Kind of makes more sense doing it outside so you're not getting dust up onto your furniture. And then I will sweep up the remains afterwards. Next, I do my carpets. So I take my vacuum. We do not have a Norwex vacuum. And I will vacuum all the floors. And after I have vacuumed all the floors, if I see that there are some stains on the floor, I will use our carpet stain remover concentrate. And this removes stain and odors from the carpet, and it's enzyme based, so it safely eliminates stains and stops odors at the source of the odor. It's a 2 flow ounce bottle that you receive. You will pour the whole bottle into a 16 ounce container and then fill the container with water. So it's 1 part carpet cleaner to 7 parts water. You don't want to use it on Scotchgard treated carpet or any silk, leather, or mohair items that you have, and nothing that's Teflon coated either. But spray it down, let it sit for a little bit, use a damp EnviroCloth, pat the stain away. It works great. Sometimes, especially if I'm going out of town for a while and I just want to freshen things up in the house because we have a lot of carpet, I sometimes spray my carpet with the Mattress Cleaner. The Mattress Cleaner deep cleans body oils, pet dander, and other contaminants. So I use it on my mattress also, like once every 3 or 6 months. But sometimes I'll spray it on the carpet. It's enzyme based and it just eats away at the odors that are in the carpet so that things smell a little bit fresh, and you just let it sit there. Don't have to wipe it up or anything. So I have finished all of the carpet and I've swept all of the mats, and I'm ready to move on to the hard floors. So that means my kitchen and my bathrooms. And first of all, I use the Norwex Mop System. A few things that I like about our mop system. One is the telescopic handle. Twist it left to loosen it, twist it right to lock it in place. And so it's short enough for kids to be able to use, but it's tall enough for husbands to use as well. It also has a rubber stopper on top so that you can rest it against the wall, and it has a little lip here so that it can rest on a counter or something like that. And then on the base, it has a swivel head to it. So it goes side to side, back to back. You can, however, lock it so it just goes back to back, but not side to side. In case you're doing your walls or your ceiling, that's very helpful. So I'm going to unlock it. Then it has Velcro for the mop pads. This is our dry, sunny, yellow, sunny, dry mop pad. Yellow, to remind you, dry. This is now graphite with a yellow trim to it. And I'm going to use this to sweep up the dirt on the floor. And you want to do kind of an figure 8 shape so that you keep all the dirt out in front of you. And then I will take all of that. I'll first take the rubber brush and I'll take it over to the trash can and brush out all the debris from the dry mop pad so that it's ready to use next time. And then for the remaining stuff on the floor, I will take, this is not a Norwex product, but I will sweep the rest of the dirt up into my dustpan. If you have tile floor or you have pets or you have maybe a textured surface on your floor, I might want to suggest the Chenille Mop Pad. This is also for dry and just has little fingers to help pick things up. Then after I have dry mopped my floor, I take this off and I attach our blue wet water mop pad. Now with this, you can put it underneath the faucet, get it wet, and then roll it up and wring it out so you can mop your floors. Or you can buy the spray mop attachment. This is easier to attach when you put it on the floor. You would just set this on the floor and set the base on top of it, kind of step it into place. You can also offset your mop pad like this so that you can do your baseboards at the same time when you're doing your floors. With the wet mop pad, I'm going to show you the spray mop attachment. The water will spray out here. It attaches to your base down here and attaches to the handle up here. The tank gets filled up with water, comes out, and you fill that up with just water. However, we do have the Probiotic hard surface cleaner. And what that does is it quickly removes set-in soils and spills and stains, grease, and grime from hard surfaces, and it leaves it nice and shiny. So if you need a little bit more oomph to your cleaning aside from water, then I would highly recommend the Probiotic hard surface cleaner. And it continues to work after you have washed your floors. It will continue to clean your floors. You put 2 tablespoons of that into the tank, or you can put it into a spray bottle and spray as you go if you need to. So when I mop the floor, I just press down and the water sprays out in front, and then I can mop my floor as I go. If you have tile or if you have laminate or some flooring that has a texture to it, we have a tile mop pad, and that also can attach onto the base of this to wash your floors. And then a bonus pad is our window mop pad. This is our window cloth material, and you can do your windows. Get that streak-free shine with little to no effort. So you take a spray bottle and you spray your window. You will detach your mop base here, and then you will have your mop base, and then you'll attach one of our handles to the mop base, and then you can attach the window mop pad onto that, and you can wash all of your windows. It's great. Very versatile, our mop system. So doing the floors, I dry sweep it all first, then I wet mop them, and we're good to go.